Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to connect Alibaba to your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com, if you have not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where in the upper right corner you can get started with logging into your account, and after successfully logging in, at the left side screen in this home page you'll be able to see all the sections you can access, such as home, orders, products, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how we can get started connecting Alibaba to our store to start drop shipping. So what we can do guys is right here, the left side screen, under the apps section you can find the add apps option. So you want to click on add apps. This is going to open up this new menu where you can see all the frequently used applications by your store, and you can open up the Shopify App Store option right here by scrolling down. Scroll down and open up the Shopify App Store. That's going to open up this app store right here. You can find all the applications you can use, and at the top of the screen you're going to have a search bar. We are going to be using this search bar. We are going to search for Alibaba. So go ahead and search for it right here, and after successfully searching for it guys, as you can see, it's now going to open up this menu where you can find all the results for Alibaba that can enable us to connect it to our store. You have multiple of them guys. You can try out whichever works the best for you. This one is specifically made for Alibaba and AliExpress. So as you can see guys, it's going to enable you to import products to your store in one click and so on. So what you can do to install it is click the install button right here. After clicking the install button, it's going to proceed with the installation process, opening up the installation process where you can confirm you want to install it by clicking the install button. So click the install button, and after installing it guys and connecting it, it's going to appear right here in the home page under your apps. Go ahead and open up the application and provide your Alibaba info, connect it to your Shopify store, and get started with dropshipping. But yeah guys, basically it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.